Hello guys, in this video we are going to check out the Brevo app. So for its installation, first of all go to the agency level and then go to the level of marketplace and then here search your app and then click on install button. After this, if you want to install it on all the locations, then install on the agency level. Otherwise, you can also install on a particular location as well. So in our case, we are going to install it on all the locations. So after click proceed button, here wait because the app is installing. So after you got a message that app is successfully installed like this. So you can close this and then go to the location level and go to this custom page and search Brevo and click on configure button. So now you need a Brevo account for its credentials. So here I created its account. So for its credentials, first of all click there and click on this. After this, click on API keys. So you do not have API key, click here and then name your API key. You click on generate button. After this, copy this and now paste your API key here and click on submit button. Your credentials have been saved and now you can use this app in the automation and the workflow builder.